Good evening and welcome. On behalf of Ashoka University, it is my honor to welcome you to the second edition of the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala Memorial Lecture.
Are we proud of where we are today as a young university? Yes, of course we are. Incredibly proud. Are we done? No, not at all. Far from it.
It is really impossible to introduce someone so widely known for his reputation that has transcended the corporate world and into many other spheres, Mr. Natarajan Chandrasekharan, the chairman of the Tata Group.
With AI, a new story begins. One must look beyond modern technology. Think of it as a civilization-defining, civilization-altering invention.
What are some of the key levers we need to push as a nation to realize that vision?
We have an aspiring population. We have a huge demographic advantage. We need more of everything.
What are some perspectives, lessons, or learnings that you wish someone told you at the early stage of your career?
Dream big. World is full of possibility. So much economic growth is going to happen. Quality of education has to get benchmarked. We have to address primary education seriously, and we need more Ashokas.
Building Ashoka University to world-class standards was one of Rakesh's many dreams for India. And looking at its growth in size and reputation, I am confident what we are on track to fulfill his dream.